Hello, guys. Okay. Now, this is my first attempt at doing mashed potatoes. And when I tell you that I already added the right amount of everything to where, I didn't even have to add no salt and pepper, but I did put a little bit of salt and pepper. What I put in my mashed potatoes, a little bit of salt and pepper, some sour cream, butter, what is it? Well, country crop. I put a little bit of that, whatever it is, butter, margarine, whatever it is. Philadelphia cream cheese. They had some Philadelphia cream cheese that I already had chives and onion in it, but I just didn't get that. But I just got the original one to make sure that it doesn't, I just didn't want to mess with I didn't want to throw the taste off. So Philadelphia cream cheese is what I put in mine. That country crop, sour cream, salt, pepper, some milk, and I put some chives. I chopped me up some chives. I had bought some chives. Bought me some chives. Rinsed them off. And I kept a little bit of the skin. I added this is my first time just actually making some mashed potatoes. I thought it was more to doing mashed potatoes than what it really is. And I was like, oh, okay, I can do that. But I left, some people don't really like, I can eat mashed potatoes without the skin, or I can have it in there. But as you can see, I left a little bit of skin in there. You can see. You see it. I left a little bit of skin on the potatoes. But it turned out good. It's like I added, like I said, the right amount of everything. Yeah, there go a piece of skin right there. Got my chives in there. I put little chives in there. As you can see, look at that. That's that gravy I'm talking about. And then we got the asparagus going. All I did was put a little bit of country crop, Lorry, some water, and let it go. I put the heat on a medium. I want to cook at a medium pace or whatever for now. But then when it get to the tenderness that I like, see, it don't take long for asparagus to cook, and it's already, because I still like a good crunch. So see, it's already done cooked down. So I can turn the fire up a little bit now. I'm turning it up. I had it on 5. The temperature of your stove may be different, but 5 for mine it cooks at a medium pace or whatever. And now I turned it up to 7, which cooks at a higher pace. It cooks at high because it's already starting to bend. What I'm saying, I don't want it to be too. It's already done bending, so I'm gonna let it go ahead on, and I'm gonna let it cook until the water is almost, cooked down out of it. When the water is almost cooked down out of it, it's when my asparagus will be ready. So this is my meal for today. The pork chops, yeah, got the pork chops. Yes. And okay, I hope everybody enjoy your day. If your day didn't start off great, make it great. That's how I got my meal together for the day. Bye.